Hi, I'm Eric Lenask here at TelX's CBX event in New York City. I'm here talking with Host.net's Lenny Chesal. Lenny, thanks for joining us. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. Busy morning so far. Tell me about the latest, what's exciting at Host.net.
I'm exciting at Host.net every day, but besides that, our virtual private data center solution, which is an enterprise play, we have distributed platforms across the country, and we're just getting tremendous play on the server side, amazing take on the storage side. So folks placing their storage requirements on our platform either locally within our data center in a hybrid environment, which is unique because we're both the cloud provider as well as the colo provider, as well as taking stuff, and we're in Florida in the hurricane zone, up into 56 Marietta in the TelX facility, where we've also got platform as well. So lots of excitement around that. We're pleasantly surprised with the take rate in that service.
Where are you seeing more interest, more growing interest, I suppose I should ask, on the colo side or on the cloud side?
So because colo has grown, obviously, and you can see by TelX growth and everything else that's going on in the industry, what we're able to do is really do a conversion. So when we're getting the interest on the colo side, and we talk with folks about, okay, you're going to buy this whole new platform, we're going to put all this equipment in our facility, fantastic. What if? And so that what if, the adoption of, okay, let's try a hybrid environment, let's go fully blown on the virtual environment. And the level of comfort by folks that really understand the virtualization platform and the way we've constructed our platform recognize that just like you couldn't take your office and turn it into a colo, you really can't take your physical infrastructure and turn it into an environment as robust as ours. So once they understand that and leveraging our platform really as a service or our infrastructure as a service, it's really been a pretty simple conversion, if you will, to take folks from, oh, I'm thinking of putting my stuff in your facility versus, you know what, holy mackerel, I don't have to spend the CapEx. This is a service and I can use that.
What's the biggest question that folks that you're looking to bring into that conversion scenario ask you? Is it security?
There's 5 questions they ask: security, 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 and then they mention security.
I got one of them right.
Yeah, so you got the first one right. Absolutely. And what's interesting is we actually had some folks in town with our South Florida Technology Alliance last week from U.S. government is mandating, right? And there's this whole big project underway. They're going to have to virtualize. So, from the government down, right? If it's safe enough for the government, I don't know. Some people would agree or disagree with that. But the reality is, in our particular case, we've co-branded a security within the cloud, right? So we've leveraged the virtual platform, and instead of an appliance outside of the cloud, we're actually leveraging the virtualization within the cloud. And so we've got enough layers of security to really meet anybody's compliance requirements. So we've addressed that proactively and getting a lot of level of comfort there. But unequivocally, it's the fear of putting it out there in a cloud. Now, we're not, a typical, in and out cloud. It's an enterprise play. So it's built for an enterprise. A lot of healthcare play right now, finance play, some government play too. So.
So that's sort of one side of what you're doing. Want to talk a little bit about specifically your relationship with TelX as well. You've got deep ties with them.
Yes.
Tell me what you've been doing with them.
So first of all, we like to have fun with the TelX guys, and we do that on a regular basis whenever possible. And really, it's about the relationship, right? And that's my point. So the fact is, we tie all of their facilities on our network, so we're in all of their POPs at a minimum 10 gig level. So we provide layer 2 transport from facility to facility, and in multiple facilities, we also have local loop possibilities. So we're providing their customers with both layer 2 transport as well as local loop. And then, of course, we sell our IP services as well within their facilities. So.
Now, what do you offer that some other TelX partners might not?
Well, for starters, we've got our own 10G network that will then connect folks to all of our other services. So a cross-connect to the Host.net or Broadband One network not only provides you the ability to do the Layer 2 transport, to do the local loop, to also deliver IP. We can also bring them back to our virtual platform and offer a hybrid solution in and or out of the TelX facility. So there's a lot of services, managed services, we wrap around that network And to borrow John Chambers' frame, the network is truly the platform for all the other services we provide.
Excellent. We're talking here at TelX's CBX in New York with Host.net's Lenny Chesal. Lenny, thanks very much for joining me.
Pleasure. Always good to see you.